we are making a Shinjang ramen, and then my dad already cut the onions, something, I don't know, I think green leaves. So that we're just gonna boil the water for the ramen, then we're gonna add cheese on the ramen when it's fully done cooking. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it here so I can see it. So my dad's boiling it right now. Okay, can I want to do that? I'll show it to them now. Can I have the noodle? How do you, like that?
Lagay mo lang.
You told me to just lagay it.
Hindi ko sinabing ibagsak mo, sabi ko ilagay mo, huwag ibagsak.
Oh. We're making Shinjang ramen. I'm gonna, oh wait. When are we gonna put this?
Ako na.
Can I put?
Lagay mo daw. Bukas na yan, ha? Oo.
Let's add some, I don't know, chili. Oh, very little.
Konti na nga lang, ilaro mo pa. Oh. Sunog pa.
Hali.
Sinasistan to.
That's what are we gonna, oh wait, there's no sauce? There's no sauce? Walang sauce?
Sus.
Fun. Yeah? Walang sauce? So he's adding the chili. Where are you gonna add egg? Where are you going to add egg? Why? I don't know. Why are you adding egg? I didn't say to add, I don't know. It doesn't look like ramen. It doesn't even look spicy. Okay. I wanna taste it now. Tata, I want to eat banana. Tata! Let's eat banana. Tata, I'm gonna eat banana, okay? I'll eat banana. Craving something so sweet.
Lagyan mo dito, sige. Huwag na malitan. Baby.
You told me little. Why would you give Amy? That's so good. I haven't showed it to you guys. It smells so good. I wanna taste it so bad. It looks so good. Hi, can I eat now? What? I can eat? Oh. Is it still raw? How are you gonna make it non-raw? You're gonna add sauce? You're gonna add hot sauce? Where's the hot sauce? I died. Then what are you gonna add there?
Ano?
Cheese. We have to add cheese. Habibi, cheese. We have to add cheese. Let's add cheese. That's nice.
Sa'yo lang mamaya kung gusto mo.
We're gonna add some cheese. Where are you gonna add mayo? Who would actually eat ramen with mayo? Tatay.
Lagyan mo na lang. Huwag ka namang dumi ka na.
Okay. I wanna eat so badly. So hungry. Oh, that looks so yummy. That looks so yummy. Timmy, be quiet. Timmy's not eating the banana.
Ano mo daw? Kainin mo daw.
No! Why would I eat it? Galing sa laway mo, tapos galing sa beak ni Timmy. Timothy! Oh, Timothy bit it. Timothy is so small much. And I want to eat him. The ramen is cooking. The ramen is cooking. Get me up. Let's move your tomato pies. But it's still raw.
Mahulog ka dyan kasi.
Teeny. Teeny keeps on wee-wee too. Wee-weeing. Wee-weeing. Did you just eat without me?
Ooh.
That's good.
Yeah.
Huh? Why it tastes good? It tastes good.
So good.
Let I get my chopsticks. Get my chopsticks, please. Okay. He's getting my chopsticks. Tiki-tang. Yummy. Why is it making that sound, Tatay?
Gawin mo si mami mo daw na. Mag-ready na.
Just wait, guys. Oh, wait. Bye, the ramen's ready. Show you the ramen first. That looks good, right?